With 12,000 ultra-fine bristles, our ultra-soft bristle comfy toothbrush is the best manual toothbrush to deeply clean and remove surface stains on every corner of your teeth without damaging the enamel, as well as providing you effective and gentle oral care. Unlike any ordinary toothbrush with hard bristles, it is crafted with premium microfiber bristle. Each one can penetrate each enamel crevice to remove food residue, bacteria, plaque, and stains thoroughly. The wave pattern design penetrates into the hard-to-reach area of the tooth gap, locking and removing every single substance, due to its delicate craftsmanship. This functional toothbrush is finely processed for those with sensitive teeth, bleeding gums, or toothaches, which cleans teeth and gums with minimum stimulation. Produced to provide healthier oral care for everyone, especially for pregnant women, children, elderly or people with braces.